In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sticky bottom navigation bar in Shopify. We're going to walk through the process step by step, so even if you're not very familiar with Shopify, you'll be able to follow along and get this working on your store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Online Store. Go ahead and click that. This will open the themes page where you'll see a list of all your themes. Your current live theme should appear at the top of the list. Next to that theme, click the option to edit the theme. Depending on your Shopify version, this might be called Customize, Edit Theme, or something similar, but you're looking for the button that opens the theme editor. After the theme editor loads, you'll see a live preview of your store on the right and a panel of sections on the left. This is where you control which sections appear on each page and how they're arranged. Scroll through the sections list on the left until you find the footer section. This is usually near the bottom of the list. Click on the footer section to expand it. Inside the footer area, look for a button or link that says Add Section. Click that, and you'll see a list of different section types you can add to your theme. From this list, select Custom Liquid. This type of section allows you to insert your own custom code. Once you've added it, click on the new Custom Liquid section to open its editing and styling options. You should now see a text field where you can paste code. In this text field, paste the code for the sticky bottom navigation bar. The exact code will usually be provided in the video description or documentation that accompanies this tutorial, so make sure you grab it from there and paste it in exactly as it appears. Once the code is in place, look at the preview of your store on the right-hand side. Try scrolling up and down the page. You should now see a navigation bar fixed to the bottom of the screen, staying visible as you scroll. Click on the menu items in the bar to confirm that the links are working as expected. If everything looks good and functions properly, the last step is to save your changes. Go to the top right corner of the theme editor and click the Save button. Your sticky bottom navigation bar is now live on your Shopify store.